Here today, you guys, we're taking power from this power source here. We ran it underneath the ground already. We came up. We're coming up on this tree, so we're going to add an outlet down here, a receptacle, a switch, and then from there it's going to go up to a nice light up there, so then at night, if we need to see our chickens over in this area, we'll have light for them. We got our duplex terminal here plugged in, all wired up. Now we're going to wire in our switch, and then we're going to add our light connector here in just a minute. Went ahead and put in our wiring in the pole, so let's go ahead and pick it up and mount it up top. We're going to be wiring in our switch here now. Gotta say, I love these push wire connectors. They're awesome. I picked them up at Home Depot. You just, cut your wires, push them right in, push them in there, done. No wire nuts, no trying to, crimp them on, and it's just a pain in the butt. I love these pushing connectors for sure. All right, we got our switch here all wired in, you guys. So now we're going to go ahead and mount our light up at the very top. So we need to get a tall ladder for that part. Final step, we're going to mount the light. We got the pole up there mounted and we're good to go. So let's get the light up there now. We got our light here. We got our ground, our neutral, our hot. So let's get them tugged in there pretty good. And let's get the light screwed in now. You might be wondering why we're using a 4 snap-on here, is because later on we're going to add some more lights, so we want to make sure we have plenty of room to plug in more lights. She's all mounted. We're going to take off the plastic wrap. Now our chickens over here will have plenty of light at night.